Bumabati ako ng isang magandang umaga sa lahat ng mga ating mga panauhin. Unang-una, for sa ating bisita, si Mrs. Maria Teresa Alba from PhilHealth. And Ms. Montia Palma also from PhilHealth. We are so lucky that they are here. I hope every day the release of PhilHealth. We will assure that definitely daily release for our PhilHealth. And of course, one of our visitor, board member, Mr. Martin D. Guzman from Pangasinan. And of course, the global group of founders and board members, they are all here. Our partners, of course, Navigar and Lifrag. And our friends in media, global officers and managers, and other special guests. And of course, we will not forget our healthcare workers who are already on a daily basis, they are always here, our front lines in every day. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining us here in Cabuyao as we celebrate this important milestone. In the history of Global Care Medical Center Group, we began as a family investment more than a decade ago, has grown into a mission to bring quality healthcare closer to the communities outside Metro Manila. When I joined Global Medical Center of Laguna, of course, my first motivation is personal. Of course, to secure the practice of my daughters, because during that time, they are just taking their training. That's why now they are already a doctor. My elders, Dr. Casey Silino Akdal. And my other daughter is Dr. Belen. Dr. Silino de Belen. I will not forget the name Silino. Now I realize that the urgent need for advanced healthcare facilities in Laguna. With the dedicated teams of doctors, lawyers in my team, engineers, and business leaders, we opened GNCL in July 2016. Proving that world-class care should not be confined only in big cities. From Cabuyao, we expanded to Canlubang in July 2017. Bay on November 9, 2018. For those who are here, they know that November 9 is very significant. If you want to guess that the date, then you can ask someone there the significance of that date. Talisay on December 11, 2021. Each hospital was more than just a building. It was a promise to serve communities that had long been overlooked, perhaps even neglected, in terms of access to medical care. Canlubang was a rapidly developing area with booming industrial parks. But many people do not realize that much of Canlubang remains rural with a large population in need of medical services. Bay, once a quiet, sleepy town, has grown around our facility, showing how healthcare can spark development. In its early years, it felt as if Global Bay was built in the middle of nowhere. But over time, the area began to develop, and the hospital became a pillar of that growth. Watching base development has been deeply rewarding, and it has vindicated my choice of location. Like Global Bay, Global Talisay stands in quiet rural setting. Although it might not yet enjoy the same stability as its sister hospitals, it is steadily finding its footing. Each milestone it achieves, no matter how small, is a reminder that growth takes time, patience, and perseverance. In November 2022, we inaugurated Global Care Cancer Institute, the first standalone cancer facility in the Philippines, not just in Southern Luzon. GCCI was the fulfillment of dream to provide compassionate, specialized care so patients no longer need to travel to Manila for treatment. Our vision of an integrated, relatively self-sufficient network also led to Omnitech Healthcare and Medical Supplies, and MedPure Pharmaceutical Company, both of which ensure that our hospitals have reliable equipments and medicines. I firmly believe that hospital deserves to operate with flexibility, to make decisions quickly, and to avoid being trapped by monopolies that limit their option. Bringing Omnitech into the global network made it possible for our hospitals to focus on what truly matters, caring for patients, confident that their supply chain supports rather than constrains them. MedPure Pharmaceutical Company supplies drugs and medicines to the hospital, inpatients department, and caters to outpatients as well. In 2025, it began developing our own house brand, something that I take quietly pride in. Each time I hear that our house brands are being used more widely, I'm reminded that it is not just about business growth. It's about seeing our vision take root in everyday lives. That's why, especially during after the COVID, the life during those times, it's very challenging. But I need to expand to reach out for those communities who are in need for the healthcare facilities. That's why in 2023, the Global Group welcomed Navigar and Leapfrog Investment as partner. Before this happened, I sat down with around 42 interested investors around the world, I'd say. Each their own ideas was about our future should look like. Some of them wants to buy us as a whole. I told them, no, that's not my direction. That's not part of my plan. And others push for a sharing of 80%. They want an 80% ownership in our hospital. We will remain as 20. I told them, no, I'm not comfortable with that kind of arrangement. I knew I had to stay true to that vision, even if it means saying no to them. Navigar just felt right because it is managed by a Filipino who truly understand the challenges and opportunities of doing business here in the Philippines and at home, as well as the urgent healthcare needs of our people. With Leapfrog, what mattered most to me was that we shared the same vision, good governance, transparency, and a genuine understanding of what we are striving to build here. Equally important, Leapfrog has a proven track record of growing healthcare platforms while maintaining quality. For LeapFrog, expansion is never just growth for its own sake. It is growth with purpose. Our partnership with Navigar and LeapFrog is not just about capital. It's about shared values. Together, we are creating healthcare legacy that will endure. While I cannot reveal all the details of our future plans yet, I can tell you that very soon, we will expand further across Southern Luzon, into the north and beyond. Through new facilities and strategic acquisitions, Navigar and LeapFrog as our partners, we will increase capacity in all global hospitals, introduce more specialty services to meet the growing needs of our community, and elevate our system to international quality standards. Altogether, what we have here with Global Group is a cohesive and strong ecosystem consisting of hospitals, specialized cancer treatment facility, pharmaceutical product supplier, a provider of medical equipment and supplies. Each entity within the Global Group carries its own unique identity, shaped by its location, its people, and the specific services it provides. Yet, what makes the group truly special is the way these entities work together. We are just a family working together. They support one another, share strengths, and create an interdependent whole that is far greater than any single part. The Global Group is not just a collection of hospitals and companies. It is a living network. Its synergy lies in the fact that when all the pieces come together, the result is something more powerful, more meaningful, and more enduring than what any entity could achieve solely by itself. In closing, I would like to say that this journey has never been mine alone. It has been guided and shaped by the dedication and trust of my co-founders, partners, shareholders, employees, and of course, for me, personally, my family. In particular, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to my wife, Merdy. He always understands me when I'm late. Her devotion, love, care, patience, understanding through the long hours I work have been the foundation of whatever success I have achieved. I would also like to take a moment to recognize the presidents of institution in the Global Care Medical Group. Their leadership has been instrumental in bringing us to where we are today. And each of them has carried the responsibility of guiding the hospitals and allied companies through challenges and opportunities. I would like to call the President of GNCL. Here, Kuya is Dr. Angel Campos. Dr. Mildred Yanto, President of GCNC Canlupa. Dr. Julie Peras, President of GCMC Bay. Dr. Sharon De La Cruz, President of GSNC Talisay. President of Cancer Institute, Dr. Sereno. President of Omnitech, Dr. Almoro. And of course, Dr. Blisilda Cuadra, the President of Medcure. Let me also extend my profound thanks to our partners, Navigar, represented here today by Mr. Juan Carlos Amara. Hindi siya artista, ang artista lang. And of course, from the Praga Investments, represented by Dr. Biju Mohandas. First time that we met is in Dubai. Thank you for believing in the mission of Global Care Medical Center Group. Their support has been crucial in our efforts to bring high-quality medical care to the underserved and developing communities in Laguna and nearby provinces. This partnership underscores our organization's commitment to quality care, responsible growth, and service to regional communities. Our alignment gives confidence in the path we are taking and pride in the legacy we are building. And as I stand here today, I assure you, this is only the beginning. I firmly believe that the future holds even greater possibilities. And together, we will keep building, keep serving, and keep turning possibilities into legacies. And of course, I would like to acknowledge the presence of our co-founder in Pangasinan. Again, magandang umaga sa inyong lahat.